promise ka eh. Oh. Paano ka alis dyan? Ba't nandiyan ka? Oh. Ikaw pumunta dyan eh. Jump. Kulit. Boom, puno ang chair. Mamaya lalagay natin yan dito. Diba? May lalagyan na agad. Ready na. Nice, nice. Ayusin natin to. Tapos lalagay natin yung mga yarns. Di yata pa siya. Ano ba? Ano ba yung kasha? Puro mga orange lang yung kasha dito. Hindi pala orange. Parang brownish. Orange. Ito na lang kaya yun. Apat lang pala, tama. Yan, 4 pieces. Tapos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pero naging 4, 8, 12. Naging 14. Parang mas madami pang nakuha ko. Parang mas madami yung dumating. Sold. Ito na lang pala hindi ko na lalagay. Gagamitin ko na naman yung iba. Okay na siguro dito lahat. Lagyan na natin. Kasya naman pala. Kulang pa ng yarn. Saya. Medyo magulo pa, pero okay na yan. Kain tayo ng leftover Lacodaro. Ang sarap nito, sausawan ng fries. Inuwi ko. Sarap eh.
What to do really, especially on how to price your wholesale items. It's really hard for handmade to price wholesale.
Hi guys! Good afternoon. Mag-alas 2 na dito ng tanghali. Ako lang nandito sa house ngayon kasi nanood sila ng How to Train Your Dragon, yung live action movie. Tapos si Papi naman, may work siya ngayon sa FedEx. Saturday nga pala ngayon. Ayun, kasi bukas, Father's Day na dito. Meron kaming surprise na boodle fight tomorrow para sa mga dads. Dalawa yung daddy dito. Tapos, yung father. Tapos mamaya naman, meron pa kaming isa pang surprise para sa kanila. Mamaya, manonood kami sa Skyway Drive-In ng movie. So, bali 2 movie siya. Naka-bundle na pala yun. Kala ko nga, nagkamali lang ako ng binili. Kasi first time ko dito bumili ng ticket. Sila, ate kasi, bumili na sila online ng bukod. Ang pagbili dito, per car. So, kung ilang kayo sa loob ng car, isang ticket na lang yun. Meron mga bilang doon kung 2 adults, 1 kid, ganun. So, yun yung binili namin. Tapos, ang movie na papanoorin namin mamaya ay yung Lilo and Stitch tsaka Mission Impossible na The Final Reckoning. Tapos, $15.50 isa. So, nasa $30. Tapos, may booking fee na $2.25. Kung gusto nyo i-check, dito kayo pupunta sa premiertheaters.ca. Pwede kayong magbayad din online, tapos makareceive kayo ng ticket sa email nyo. So, yun. So, mamaya, sama namin kayo sa surprise. Charge ko pala tong camera kasi malalobat na. Yun lang.
And
then one of the guys were like, this guy hits.
Di ba, nag-barbecue na si ate.
Oh.
He's listening to K-pop. He's
the
listening to gay K-pop.
Ballerina, we're gonna watch. I knew it was Karate Kid.
Snitch.
How's it going? Good. I think it's a surprise I'm not supposed to know, but I'm guessing it's Karate Kid. Am I right?
I will not tell you.
Damn it.
What I will tell you is that you're on screen 4 and your radio station is 98.9 FM.
98.9 AF. How about 10? No, I'm kidding. Oh. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it, man.
Have a good night.
You too. 98.9.
Yeah, of course. We're watching Leroy and Snitch. Yeah, what's up? It's me, Leroy.
Are we right next to the Tesla?
Yeah, we're right.
Yeah, we're gonna go next to the over the Tesla up top.
We're gonna drive on top of the Tesla. And then someone takes 1 cent, and then I get 3 cents. Well, if the person said D-Pig.
I wish you were. I mean, you wish you were, but not like this.
The cat goes mew.
Do you wanna go out, Maki?
Oh, much better.
So close to the screen.
I bet you I can push this car.
Lamig nga dito, kaya pala nagdala ng kumot. Tsaka jacket, buti na lang. Uusog yata kami para mas maganda yung feels. Hindi man sakit sa leeg. May bata dun. Suwasayaw sa stage.
Spending more money.
Meron pala.
Hi. Let's stop emoting.
If you get kicked out, you will take the bus home.
Sa Pilipinas ba may ganito tayo?
Wala. Kung meron man, meron na dyan mga bye-bye sa gilid.
And watch the
Meron yung nakikinood sa kapitbahay sa
May
window.
kinod yung mga squatters area.
Oo, yung nakikinood ng bold sa window. Kapitbahay.
Ikakat ko na lang, sorry.
Feel at home eh.
Hi, Miko. Pinivideo ko yung pizza eh.
May koloto.
Team run.
You want me?
iPad, sige.
Oh no.
Open it yourself.
Hold that.
Hold it with the other hand. You can do it. Yeah. With your other hand.
Ikaw ako.
Or you can hold the iPad but you cannot open the button.
Bago.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Put on top of the table and then open. Bilis mo.
Pizza is done, Mikey.
Nararamdaman ko tayo.
Natatanggal ba ito, Daddy?
Ha?
Natatanggal?
Baka yung na-spray pa.
You didn't do your lap.
Ay, huwag mo sa PG papasok.
Do your lap. I had you to eat.
Yeah, thank you.
I know how to do it because I took so many girls.
Peter Tin does Mackie have to do a lap? Mackie, your mom said you have to do a lap. Huwag kang nang gagawin ngayon.
Mommy?
Na lang kayo naka-wifi sa akin. It's already, ano na oh. It's already Wi-Fi. Can you get the bag there? Give me the bag. The green bag.
And it has my Coca-Cola in it.
Nawawala.
Are you done with the chips? Make sure you close it, huh? I don't see any Coca-Cola in your bag.
Kaya mo silang layo.
Oo nga eh. Ba't ang layo nila?
Lungkod. Nilipat tayo doon.
Ganda na. Ang layo naman. Karate Kid ba dun?
Hindi doon station mo.
Bili kami water.
Some bullshit. I wanted Karate Kid.
Wala sa time slot eh.
Bakit wala? Ano oras ba?
9.
Fucking bullshit.
Ano na yan? Baba, ba't ganun yung arcade? Parang yung kapag may zombie na, tapos nakakita ka ng establishment, papasok ka dun.
Ganyan nga yung setup nila. Kasi pag Halloween dito, daming zombies.
Eh?
Yeah.
Tapos may pa, alikabok pa yung mga door.
Ano to? Abandoned area.
Tignan nyo. Parang,
nililinis.
ba't ganyan?
Tayo.
No pets allowed, pero ang dami.
Bawal ka daw.
Ikaw, yun. Oh, parking.
You guys have water? Could I get 2 bottles of water, please?
Just that.
I'll get one of the milk chocolate too, please. The milk chocolate M&M's too. That's everything.
Strawberry.
That's what I say. Devil please. Tapos Mission Impossible, 11:35 yun. Eh hindi pa tapos Lilo and Stitch.
Huh?
Hindi pa tapos ang Lilo and Stitch.
Hindi, mga 180 minutes lang yun.
Huh? Yeah, but the
180
movie doesn't really, if it says 9:10, it doesn't start at 9:10. It starts at 9:25. Kasi meron pa yung ano yung mga
That's quiet, but like, can you let me, like, basta. Word up. Yeah, what is that? Let me just go to the phone.
Pinipicture nila yung sunset.
Kian.
Wait, what did you say? A photo? Photo, mommy?
photo.
A photo. Photo.
Selfie ata eh.
You should count first.
10, 9. 10, 9, picture. 3. Say cheese.
What are you doing? What are you filming there, bud? What the?
Mommy.
Wow.
You can have it now.
Oh, you're gonna fall.
I think we have to throw your phone away now.
Starting!
It's like download all the games.
Permission for the great Congresswoman. That's not going to happen, of course. I do not need supervision. So what I'm just trying to say is that we'll just be verifying it all ourselves. Do not let the
Tapos na yung Lilo and Stitch. Yung kita. Ano na? Mission Impossible. The Reckoning. Ay, Final Reckoning. $28.
All of these detonators would explode.
Just now.
Hello, internet. This is the aftermath.
Okay, go to sleep.